It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming, baby. In this video, we will be talking about Sndl grower stock. The ticker symbol is Sndl. We're going to take a look here at the charts for Sndl. It has just pretty much been a tumultuous week for Sndl growers. In the last 5-day period, Sndl growers is down 10 cents. That was good for a decline of 14.55%. Today alone, Sndl growers closed the market at 56 cents, down 3 cents for the day. Good for a decline of 4.73 cents. So it was a pretty brutal day. Sndl growers has just been hammered. It is bleeding and it is bludgeoned badly as a stock. But of course, you guys know that we're going to keep that long-term vision because we see right through the things that are happening, and you have to adjust with the market as well. For those of you not familiar with the channel, I don't sell rainbows, I don't sell sunshine, and I'm not going to tell you that we're going to take you to the promised land like other YouTubers do. What we do on this channel is that we see the prices as they move with the market. We look at short-term investing, long-term investing. I always give you my brutal and honest opinion as we look at tweets and we look at the news. None of that corny unicorn stuff over here. So yeah, as I have always preached on the channel, Sndl under $1 is a golden play. That is still the play, that is still the long-term vision, because it will definitely jump above $1. But I know that right now we are seeing a lot of red. When people see red in the stock market, the psychology of the market takes over them. They have tremendous fear, and fear makes people panic. So what happens when the market is red? People run away from the stock market. They want to sell. They want to get rid of it. They're willing to take losses when there is big time red. What do I do when the stock market is red? I don't run away from the stock market. I run right to it when it's red. Sndl, like many other stocks, is beat up right now, but it will have a recovery. Best believe that. We're going to take a look at this article as well from the Motley Fool. The headliner reads, Why pot stocks, Canopy Growth, Sndl growers, and Tilray all had a rough week. Right? So pretty much what happened is that Canadian stocks have had a tough week. Shares of Sndl, Tilray, and Canopy Growth are all down over 14%. So this is going on overall in the whole sector for marijuana. It's just not Sndl. So for anyone saying that Sndl is the problem here, no, it's other marijuana stocks as well. So these are some of the things that are happening and why the stocks are down. The emergence of the Omicron variant is already sparking travel restrictions in Canada. While pot tourism isn't a huge moneymaker for these companies yet, every little bit helps when you are consistently writing off millions of dollars worth of inventory almost every single quarter. In their latest earnings report, for example, Canopy Growth and Sndl were forced to write off millions in inventory due to sluggish sales and changing consumer trends. Another one says recent comments from Moderna CEO suggesting that the first wave of COVID-19 vaccines might be ineffective against the Omicron variant have sparked concerns on Wall Street that the world may return to the early days of the pandemic. This fear has caused investors to shy away from risky growth vehicles like marijuana stocks this week. So yeah, this is definitely one of the big ones right here, because let's face it, the marijuana sector is young. Therefore, it is sort of seen as a risk investment, and it is one that is prone to have fluctuation in prices. Therefore, it is considered risky. It is not one of those constant growth stocks that it's just going to keep growing slowly over time. No, we see big spikes when it comes to the marijuana sector, because even though we believe in it, and there are many things that we do believe in with Sndl and other pot stocks, some naysayers believe that there is still speculation for these stocks, therefore they are considered risky. Just a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Always make sure to do your own due diligence and research when you invest in any type of market. When you do the homework and you do the research, you will come out winning. Bank on it. This is another reason, of course, one that I have beat up over the head on the channel. Canopy and Tilray are both banking heavily on the US legalizing marijuana at the federal level soon. So this is exactly what I'm talking about, right? US legalizing marijuana as a whole. Of course, it is legalized in several states already, but not most of them. So that is the big one there that is causing the price to not be higher. That is sort of like, how do you say it? It's sort of a setback, right? That's one of the reasons that it has not gone up. The price is being suppressed. That's what it is. Because of that very reason. But things are going to change. It is going to take time. It was always going to take time. So for those of you that are very doubtful in Sndl growers, just keep that faith alive, but always be very careful when you invest in the stock market. You know, I have always said that when the prices are going down, they are accumulation zones. You do not go all in just at one price point, because of course the price could always drop, but we know that at the end of the day, Sndl growers, the company has way too much money and they will not fail. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, it's simple, give it a thumbs down. The haters are welcome to the channel. We'll embrace you with open arms. If you haven't done so already, please do consider subscribing to the channel, as it helps tremendously and it helps more than you know. Smash that notification bell so you can stay notified, up to date, and informed. Until the next time, peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.